Okay. This is how we define. In database, how we define the where can. We define where can. Then in column square brackets, we'll define the size right. This is how it is defined here in entity. Okay, so I've done the change. Suppose I need to make a regular relationship right. So what I need to do is I will have to select a rekey. Is there any rekey present here? Area source, okay. Okay. So I need to give the name of what I should give. I'll give what is already present. Building_ext field. I will give that custom building okay. Custom building_ext okay. Now the entity name with which I need to create the RSO. It is building_ext. So let me open this entity also. Okay, so this is the building entity. And we are forming an ARIC relationship with that. So description we have to give. Stores. Too many relationship. Okay, that's it. Okay, but for defining the array key right, we need to define a reverse foreign key as well, to complete the setup right. Like from AB contact to building right. We have defined the array key. Similarly, to complete the connection, we have to define a reverse foreign key also. We have to define the reverse foreign key from building to AB contact. I'll give the entity name as AB contact. That location true. That's it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so building_ext is saying that it is already pointing. You can see here right, it is foreign keys already pointing to AB contact, and here I'm also pointing to AB contact. So it's not allowing me to do 2 times linking. So let me delete here. I just wanted to show it how we do that. Okay, how we add directly. So this is how our array keys get set. Okay, fine, so this is how we extend the entity. Now, one relationship is still pending. The subtype parent and children relationship, right? So if you want to have a new child of the AB, contact OK. What we need to do, how we are creating a new child of the AB contact. So we will create an entity. We'll go to the file, so we know all the entities are sitting here in that extension file, right? So I'll give the name AB contact. For company. Okay. But it will be with _ext. Right. So here we can see we have the options. If we don't want a subtype in normal entity, we can choose entity, otherwise we'll choose subtype. Okay, then we have to choose the supertype. A supertype is AB contact. Okay, or we can choose it from here as well. We should choose the supertype as AB company, right? Because it's not a direct subtype of AB contact. It's a subtype of AB company, and AB company is a subtype of. So we'll select the subtype. Click on OK. So we can define the fields here in this subtype. So you can see that my entity has been created. ETF file has been created. Okay. So, if I'll see the data dictionary, this particular entity would be created. So I'll run the data dictionary for you. So it will be created in the build folder. Okay. So I'll go to the build folder. I'll go to dictionary data. Okay, I need to regenerate the data dictionary again. Right, I have done so many changes. So I'll do it again. I need to run that command. CMD. AWP in region-dictionary. So we will by heart these commands. And by experience you will know all these commands. It's not that I have by heart this deliberately. We are using it on day-to-day basis, right? So we know it. This will be created under the build folder. In the inside this training app, right? Not only training app. If we run the same command inside the Claim Center, it will be generated for Claim Center inside the build folder. Okay. Okay, region. For me, this command is still running. So let's leave it here. So we are on the subtype, right? We have seen how to create the subtypes. Okay, so we can create any number of fields here, as we have created for the different right. So now you know how to create new entities as well, right?